Hey everyone, we just hit 43 subscribers. Thank you so much for your engagement. It's honestly amazing to see this community growing so fast. I've been receiving messages in the community about the Xiaomi S40 Pro leaving water streaks on floors. This seems to be a common issue, especially on hard, glossy surfaces. What's important to know is that the S40 Pro uses quite a bit of water and mops fairly wet. Because of this high water distribution, the chance of streaks and watermarks is much higher on shiny floors. I hope this video gives you a better idea of how the S40 Pro distributes water. If you look closely at my wooden floor here, you can actually see some streaks as well. On my wooden floor, they eventually fade away as the wood breathes, but on a hard, glossy floor, it's a different story. As soon as the water dries on those surfaces, the marks and spots stay behind. I hope this insight helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.